Random dad stuff.
Hello everybody. Today's episode is very special. Today is a how to fix a broken sprinkler. And people are always stepping over them, breaking the pop-up things, garbage man getting out of the truck, hitting these sprinklers and stuff. So we gotta go fix them. Let's go. A couple things that we're going to need. First off, the T-handle extractor, also known as a nipple extractor. We'll get the broken part of this out of the existing sprinkler, and this is called a cutoff riser. So it's made to break off without destroying the whole underground pipe and everything. So we're going to need a new one of those if the existing one is too broken to salvage. Now, I'm fortunate here, I can just hop on my bike 1 block down the street to the entrance gates and fix it. Now, the bike I like to use for my everyday travels is a 1997 GT Aggressor frame with hard front on it. Got the custom FSA headset here, XTR brakes on the front, and the Shimano XTR brakes on the rear, STX rear derailleur, got a 7-speed mega range on the back, and Shimano DR-LX crankset. And notice there's no front derailleur because I have this custom chain tensioner here that I made out of a zip tie. Alright, well here's the broken one. You can see it broke off right down there. These kind of pipes are made to break off here. Instead of breaking the whole pipe, it just breaks off this little section. So you can often just pull that off, stick in our tool here, unthread that. And if this end of the pipe is still good, if it broke off clean, which it looks like it did mostly, you can just stick that back on the threads, thread it on, make sure it's tightened down good, and bury it back up. It's good to go. Alright, let's test it out. Make sure it's not leaking or anything. Looks good, and it's aimed good. And I didn't even have to use my extra piece. We'll save this for next time the garbage man breaks the sprinkler. That was an easy sprinkler fix. Pretty much done. 5 minutes. That's it. Now, just ride my bike block back home. Go rest for a little bit until something else happens. Won't be long before somebody runs into the gate, or the gate arm stops working, or people having trouble getting in or whatever, and get the phone call, can't get in the gate. So I gotta run down there, see what the problem is, and that's pretty much it. And we're back home. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. This was random dad stuff for today. Just a quick little episode. Hope you learned a little bit about sprinkler repair, and we'll see you next time. Bye.